Minister for Higher Education. Minister for Higher Education.
Speaker, sir, I have had the privilege of knowing Dr. Murray Chenna Reddy since my childhood, as he was for a very long period associated with my family and my father particularly during my father's heyday of business and industry, and Dr. Chenna Reddy having come into government in his early 20s. Dr. Chenna Reddy, although he held every conceivable position any politician can hold in this country, he has a great capacity to survive. He never gave up. The tenacity to stay on in politics and to continue to be in contact with people and to serve their cause always stood good in his stead, and he came back over and over again to hold positions of power, both as the Chief Minister as well as the Governor of various states and, of course, the central government. Dr. Chenna Reddy had in him that he wanted to hold center stage in politics. He would gather people around him, and they were always loyal to him, whom he trusted and wanted loyalty. He commanded and demanded loyalty from his followers. I remember one incident, sir, when I was minister in 1989, and Dr. Chenna Reddy had taken once again the reins of the state Congress party as the president. At an official function in Bodhan, in my constituency, we shared the stage. And in my speech, I said something in favor of the government, and of course, a word or two in favor of our then Chief Minister, Mr. N.T. Rama Rao. After the meeting was over, he said, "It's all right, you are a minister, you are in Telugu Desam party, but you don't have to be more loyal than the king." So that association which I and my family had with Dr. Chenna Reddy, even much before my coming into politics, he thought I could not go away from him, that I had also to be saying and sharing that loyalty, continue to share that loyalty. Sir, I am very unfortunate to have not met Dr. Chenna Reddy for the last time during the wedding of his grandchild, because I somehow missed that invitation. Dr. Chenna Reddy was one of those who took very special care during the Congress regime to bring special succor to the minority communities. I remember, sir, as his chief minister in his second tenure, he sanctioned an engineering college to the Mukhabamja Engineering College, to the society, and insisted that the society start the college in the same year, although they had no infrastructure and there was no way they could start the engineering college. So he said, "I will go all the way to support you, you go ahead and do it." They did not have a building. The present building which the college occupies was held by a public sector undertaking of the central government. Almost overnight, he saw to it that that building was vacated and handed over to the college, which today it's hold in its own. Setwin, a mention has been made, sir. Setwin is an organization that was given by Chenna Reddy to the people of the old city. The tremendous benefit that it has accrued to the people of the old city, even today, where hundreds of them who have been trained in Setwin have gone to the Gulf to earn their livelihood. In the Telangana movement, sir, although Dr. Chenna Reddy may not have achieved his ultimate objective in creating the state of Telangana, separate Telangana, but the awareness he generated in the people of Telangana, which were otherwise known to be, the Hyderabadis, and they did not really get alive to the situation as to what was happening around them. But it was this movement of Telangana which brought so much awareness. And today many leaders have emerged from that movement and today hold very important positions. And therefore, this contribution of Dr. Chenna Reddy also is very important to all of us. Again, the World Bank aid that has come to the East Godavari and other districts, sir. In 1989, when I had the opportunity of overflying the area which was flooded with the President of India then, at the behest of our Honorable Chief Minister then, I have also seen how a sheet of water remained a large tract of area which was not being drained. And when Chenna Reddy came to power, he was in New York for his operation kidney transplant, and he had, it is told, negotiated this World Bank assistance in New York and to the World Bank, and we was able to bring such relief for which I think the people of those areas will be beholden to him for a long time. As an administrator, par excellence, it was said, sir, that when Chenna Reddy pronounced something in a public meeting that I want this to be done, I have taken a decision, he expected his officials to issue a GO, and there was nothing that can turn around and say whether rules are permitted or not permitted. It was his way that what I have decided, it must be done because that is the best thing in the interest of the people. I, sir, would like to also join the House in supporting the resolution moved by the Honorable Chief Minister and also convey my condolence to the members of the family. Thank you.